Hey, welcome. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I'm doing a little bit of an experiment. Well, I've been using this product for a while, but I want to share it with you and see how long I can get some use out of it. So, we're using some nail stuff today. I have loved gel nails for years. I do it myself. I mean, I've gotten it done at the salon before as well, and those usually last a little bit longer. But what I've been using on my own is from the Sensationail brand. This used to be way more readily available. Like when I first got into it, I was buying it at Target or Walmart, and they had tons of colors. They had kits you could start off with. I just don't see it as much as I used to. You can still find it here and there. You can order it online, but it's not as readily available. But something new that they've come out with is a polish to gel system. And this blew my mind because for the longest times, sometimes gel nail colors aren't as hip and trendy as regular nail polish colors. And so I've tried putting regular nail polish on and then coating it with a gel polish, and it just never works. It gets gooey and gummy and it doesn't ever dry down. So when I found this kit, I was so excited. The kit came with a few things. One was a nail LED light thing. I already had one of these. Oh no, it's a UV, LED. I had one of these already, but mine was fading because I've had it for 5 years and I use it so often. So I got a new one, which was really great. And this one's fancy because it turns on automatically and turns off if you pull your nails out. So love that. And then it came with, some of your basic gel nail things that you need. So a little bottle of alcohol or nail cleaner. I always just refill it with some isopropyl alcohol. I think that's what you can get from the drugstore. And then a little dual-sided nail file and some little lint-free cleansing wipes. These are the best lint-free wipes I have ever found. They come from Sensationail. I've never found them anywhere else. I looked at Sally's and I just can't find something that compares. So if you know of any, let me know. And then the main thing to make the polish to gel thing happen is this little system here. So this is a nail polish essentially, but it's the polish to gel activator. So you actually mix this with your nail polish in this little container here. This container could have been done so much better, and I probably should just use a little glass tin or something, but you've got two sides you can add polish to or whatever, and it stains from other nail polishes. And then you have a gel primer, which this is really nice. And then you also top off with this, I believe, for your final top coat. I need to look that up. I haven't used this in over a month because why would I be doing my nails right now, Yeah, you use the polish to gel stuff for the top coat. So what I'm wanting to find out is how long I can get out of this, because my regular gel stuff that I use, that's actually gel nail polish, I can usually get a week to a week and a half before I start going crazy and just start peeling it off. If I get a little tiny chip or it starts to come up from the cuticle area, that's it for me. I just start taking them off. I know that's bad, but you know what? I've been doing it for years and it's been okay. This I've only used 2 or 3 times, and it seems like the nail polish I use kind of plays into how long the nail polish lasts, which makes sense. So I've used it with a few other, few nail polishes and it's been fine. I used it with a quick dry nail polish, no go. It was drying out with this guy and it was super hard to apply. It was clumpy and weird, and it peeled off in 4 days. So today I'm gonna be using this 10/10 nail polish. This one's in the shade Fulton. I love the colors that these nail polishes come in. Super hip colors. I have another one from them. It's kind of a burnt orange kind of color. This one just kind of reminds me of cement a little bit, and I love this color. They have really cool greens and blues, and it's just, their colors are wonderful. Their formula, not so much. So this formula is maybe one of my least favorite formulas in existence of nail polish, like honestly, and these are expensive. I think it's $12 for this. I've only seen these at Target so far, but that's pretty expensive for a nail polish. Like that's more than what I pay for like a gel nail polish usually. And it's just, it doesn't last at all. It chips off so fast. But I have used this same color and the other color with this system, and it's gone very well. So this is what I'm going to use today. Also, a side note, I mean, 10 over 10 is a good brand. They do a lot of like free items. Like there's like not a lot of bad stuff in their formulas. They're cruelty free. They don't use chemicals. And so actually when I was in New York in November, my friend and I went to a 10 over 10 salon in New York and got pedicures. It was cool because I didn't use any like harsh chemicals in the salon. It was all very natural, which was great. It was a very expensive pedicure and it was fast. Like they didn't do much to your feet. Like there was no like exfoliating. It was just like soak and like do your nails essentially. And it was the most expensive pedicure I've ever had. And the pedicure came off pretty quick. But there's just something about this brand that like draws me in a little bit. So we're gonna try it with this gel system today. And I'm gonna check in every day to see how my manicure goes. I do have clean nails right now. I haven't worn nail polish for like probably close to 2 weeks at this point. If I have been wearing nail polish in like the last month or so, it's just been like a quick coat of something and then like go. My nails seem super damaged right now. I think it's just because of like all the hand washing and like stress going on. So actually like you can see like my nail line is like decreasing. I don't know what that means. I noticed it the other day. I have been pretty rough on my hands recently. Like when I work, it's hard to avoid like bending my nails and stuff, which is one of the reasons I really like gel polish. Even though it can be a little bit harsh to your nails to like put on and get off, I feel like while I'm wearing it, it protects my nails super well. My polish doesn't come off. It doesn't chip when I'm like doing dishes, and it stays on really well, and I feel like it prevents my nails from breaking. Without further ado, let's jump into the process of this system. Oh, what am I doing? I messed this up. I have to do my thumbs first. Let's just cure this real quick. See, I haven't done this in so long, I forget how to do it. Jeez. But it is suggested that you do your thumbs first, then the rest of your hand. I'm gonna do my other hand and I'll be back. So this is how my nails turned out. It's a very like subtle color. It just kind of gives this like glossy, a little bit of like a taupey, had a little fuzz there. A little bit of like a taupey color to the nails, which is like super glossy and shiny. And that's kind of what I was going for. I just wanted something a little bit on my nails to make them look a little bit more nicer and not just like blah. So this is day one. Today is Wednesday. So I'm gonna try and wear this for like a week, or I guess we'll see how far it goes. But something that is nice about more of like a neutral color, if it does start to come off a little bit, it's not as noticeable. So this is the day one check-in. I'll check in throughout the week and we'll see how long I can get on this polish to gel transformation kit manicure. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Day two. My nails are still looking pretty good. I would say, excuse my dog, like coughing and sounding like she's throwing up. Just told her we could go on a walk and then I had to film really quick, so she's a little impatient. Oh my goodness, Sutter, it's okay. The thing I've noticed, I definitely hit the cuticles on a few spots on my nails, and that's kind of like anytime with gel nail polish, if you get the polish on your cuticle at all, it just makes it last longer because it starts to like lift up from the nail there once it starts to grow out. And my nails grow very fast. And so we'll see how this goes. But so far, so good. They're looking good. Again, a very neutral nail, but they're looking shiny and new still. See you tomorrow. You guys, I'm so sorry. I suck at giving check-ins, I guess. We're on day 3 and I just got ready for bed, which is why I look like this. But I had just like used a washcloth on my face and this nail has started to peel. I don't know if you can tell, just at the tip there. I feel like that's not usually where it happens. Like I don't usually have issues around the top of the nails. It's usually towards the base. So I'm a little confused. I'll probably just peel this nail off. Not flipping you off, I'm sorry. Peel this nail off and redo it tomorrow. But I thought I'd check in since I haven't for 2 days really. So, but all the other nails, so far so good. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Day 4, still going strong. I did replace this nail or redo it this morning, but they're still looking good and shiny, so we're still going strong. So it is day 6. Making sure I don't have anything in my teeth. It's day 6. I didn't check in yesterday. I'm sorry. I feel like my nails are still going okay. This is the point where my nails start to like grow quite a bit. And so focus on my nails. There's like some regrowth happening and it's starting to like lift away at some of the cuticle spots. And I mean, it's not like I've been like easy on my nails either. I've been pretty rough on them just because, I mean, I work with my hands a lot. I've taken 2 baths since I started wearing this nail polish and that usually kind of affects things. And I just wash my hands a lot. I mean, everyone is washing their hands a lot right now. But I work with my hands a lot and they're doing all right. I'm probably not gonna make it to last much longer than this. This is the point where I like really get like itchy to peel them off because they like start getting caught on things. I feel like 6 days is pretty great to wear whatever kind of color polish I want, not just like a gel nail polish color, but like any polish in my collection I can turn into like a 5 to 6 day, maybe 7 day manicure, and it looks really great. It doesn't like chip, it doesn't fade, it doesn't peel away. and I feel like that's pretty good. Also, my nails are kind of long right now, which that also affects things. That makes it a little bit harder for things to stay on a long time. So I'm going to call it a 6 days. Like I said, I'm probably going to start peeling these away in the next like half hour because they are starting to like just drive me a little crazy. But I feel like that's a really good wear time. I do recommend this set. I have had some fun with it, and like I said, it's so great to wear whatever color nail polish I have, or if I want to buy like a new nail color without investing into a polish, like a gel polish. And I said this before, they don't always have the best colors in gel polish, and regular polish have got all the trendy colors. And so I think this is a great alternative to just like your normal gel polish. So I love it. I would highly recommend it. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the little wear test happen and the demonstration of how to apply it. It is kind of a weird thing to apply. It's a little bit of like, you got to get used to it because it is a little bit of a different formula than like a normal polish. When you mix it with the mixer, it just makes it a little bit thicker and kind of like goopy, but you get used to it. But overall, highly recommended. I love this set. I did get mine at Target, by the way. I don't know where else you can buy it, but Target was good. It was actually on clearance when I bought it, and so be on the lookout for that, I guess. But thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.